Python lesson 8, indentation / indenting. Indenting is really not a lesson. It's just something important in Python. It's basically just a format of how you write the code. Not all coding languages use indenting. So basically Python does, but some coding languages like Java don't use indenting. Let's get into it. Alright, basically, look at line 2. If I run the code, it's gonna write 8, but then it's gonna hold on. Let me just erase this code right here. If I run the code right now, it's gonna print 8. But if I put a space right here, it won't print 8 because there's an indentation error. So basically, it has to be lined up. It has to be lined up. Print has to be lined up, and it'll tell you when there's an indentation error. So, but now let's go back to the if statement. So it was if 10 equals to 10, print cool. Now this code would work because there's a column right there. So that column basically moves it, which will make it work. So this column right here, if you put enter, there will be no error to this code. So line 5, if I run the code, it will work. You see, cool. Basically, that's because in if statements, it's just like that. You can do enter, and there can be some spaces, and it would work. But there has to be a specific amount of spaces. So if I go enter, I think it's 3 spaces. Now if I put another space myself and I run the code, it still works. So you don't have to worry about if statements. Now it's different with print and all that other things like also. So if we do like something, a list. So a list is a lesson that we're gonna get into in a couple of lessons. But so my list. This is just a lesson that lists are just something that we're gonna get into in the next video or the next video. Now look. Print my list. Now if I run the code, it's gonna print the list. Now if I put a space here, there is gonna be an indentation error. So that's why it has to be lined up. And yeah, that's all for indentation. See you in the next video.